Good afternoon, Ken. My name is Alex and I will be presenting the Crimson and Blue project for you today. The project has been prepared by Poppy Jung, the project manager, Tamla Valtierra, Annabelle Oss, and Stephen Levige. We started off by creating a survey that asks basic questions about what the classroom should entail. The survey will consist of our key stakeholders, students, and faculty will be used to gather requirements. All requirements will be documented where appropriate, under the key categories in Excel. After collecting data, we inserted the key categories that were in the survey. They were rated upon 3 different criteria: mandatory, desirable and nice to have. Results showed us that layout, technology and equipment were the most important categories to focus on. The classroom we designed for this project is for 30 students and is 40 feet long, by 30 feet wide, by 10 feet tall. Larger classrooms for 60 students will be 80 feet long, 60 feet wide, will keep the same layout and will all have a ceiling height of 10 feet. The size of the door is made specifically for wheelchair accessibility as per the Americans with Disabilities Act. Its dimensions are 8 feet tall and 46 inches wide. The instructor will have a 4-foot by 5-foot podium off-centered in the room. It will contain hookups for PCs and tablets. In the cabinet underneath will hold all electronics including Blu-ray and a DVD player. There will also be a hookup for conference calls. Each classroom will be equipped with a smart board developed by Smart Technologies. The smart board is an interactive whiteboard that uses touch detection for user input. A projector is used to display a computer's video output on the interactive whiteboard, which then acts as a large touchscreen. Classrooms will still have 2 whiteboards for instructors for more space to leave more permanent information for the class. These will be located on both sides of the smart board too and will be easily seen from the back of the classroom. The desks are designed to fit 2 people comfortably with plenty of surface area. The chairs will have rolling capability and are well cushioned and are of the mesh material. Each desk will include 2 power outlets and USB charging ports. A projector will be mounted to the ceiling to be used with the smart board to display images from the instructor's computer. The room will have in-ceiling speakers throughout the classroom to provide ample sound for all of the students in the room. The aisle between desks have a width is 46 inches wide. Along with being spacious for students to move, it also meets the standards for wheelchair accessibility as per the Americans with Disabilities Act. The classroom will have 12 light fixtures provided by Orion Southwest Lighting. We will be using the new T8s. T8s lamps last longer, maintain their initial lumens longer, and render colors better than T12s. You can save around a quarter of your lighting energy just by replacing your T12 lamps with T8s. There will be 3 7-foot by 10-foot open windows on the exterior classrooms. These open windows will provide extra lighting as well as mirror coating on the outside to create a perfect balance. All of the classrooms will have state-of-the-art HVAC systems that will monitor and control a comfortable temperature for the classrooms year-round. This will include individual thermostats with fan control. Safety equipment will meet the standards for the City of Lawrence Fire Code. Items include an emergency lighting system, lighted signs directing students to the nearest exit, and voice-assisted alarms. We started off by creating a survey that asks basic questions about what the classroom should entail. The survey will consist of our key stakeholders, students, and faculty will be used to gather requirements. All requirements will be documented where appropriate under key categories. Optional features to include: the door should have a small glass window panel or glass side lights to allow viewing into and out of the room. FaceTime capability for attending classes. Vertical spacing for display boards in order to enrich learning is important. Noise-canceling options. Carpet floors are needed to absorb noise in larger lecture classrooms. Door silencers will muffle the noise of the door closing and noise coming from the hallway. Hardwood floors can be used for easy cleanup, and there should be no dead space in the classrooms which promote random or illegitimate activity. We used the guidelines developed by Emory College to help us with the design, construction and renovation of our ideal business school classroom. Thank you for listening to this presentation. We hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. We will see you after Thanksgiving break.